Yeah, Ashley, the governor very adamant today about some of those policies and those social guidelines that we've heard about for months now. In fact, this comes on the heels, as you mentioned, the biggest increase in positive cases that we've seen here in Arkansas to date. Now, Governor Hutchinson maintains, though, that the current wave of COVID cases is not due to any of the restrictions that have been lifted, and he still wants people to be responsible. He says many of the newer cases they are seeing are still in household clusters and work environments where people are around each other for longer periods. Now, he cited that Tyson Foods had 198 of their 199 positive cases. Those folks were asymptomatic, and they could easily spread that to more vulnerable people. Again, he emphasized those social guidelines such as hand washing, physical distancing, and wearing masks in public, and the effectiveness of those measures, especially if someone is not showing symptoms, and he hopes that people will be mindful of that.
We need to be out. We need to do our business. We need to live life. Just do it safely and carefully.
The governor saying that with this many cases recently, contact tracers in the state have been stretched to their limit, and he's now activating 20 National Guard members to help with contact tracing efforts here in the state. The governor was also asked today about had he issued a stay-at-home order early on in this pandemic. Does he think that that would have changed the current situation that Arkansas is in right now? He said he probably doesn't think that it would have had a lot of effect because states, and he cited California as an example, had those stay-at-home orders in place early on during this pandemic, but they are starting to see similar spikes in their cases as well. Live from the state capitol, Jay Burr, KRK 4 News.